Traders, welcome back to Forex Live. Today I have an awesome strategy for you guys where you can go ahead and scalp 10 candles on boom 1000 and crash 1000. This is an amazing strategy, really easy to use. As you know, I try to keep things as easy as possible. Someone has asked me to create a scalping strategy for crash 300. I'm still busy working on that. One of my subscribers still busy working on that. Don't worry, that video will be dropped soon. I want you guys to go ahead and check out this video, watch it till the end. We're not going to keep our videos long today. Also go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below how these strategies are working for you, and if you are loving Forex Life, also go ahead and share this, guys, so it can be pushed out to newer traders out there that is also struggling in the markets. We are just trying to build a community over here to help our traders. But nevertheless, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to start off with the settings for you guys, so we can get the settings, you can get your chart set up, and you can follow along with this video. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on the screen, and we're going to go ahead and click on this little icon over here. We will be using 5 indicators for this strategy. It's a bit more than usual, however it's still very easy to use to go ahead and get your 10 candles. Okay, so we will be scalping the markets. So the first indicator we're going to be looking for is our average directional movement index. Okay, so once you find that, you click on it, and these are the settings. So we have period 1. Your styles is all going to be the color of your background. So if your background, your chart background is black, you're going to make them black. Mine is white, so I leave mine at white. Our levels, we're going to have level 5, level 90, and level 50. Okay, 5, 90, and 50. Style, I just put mine black on 1 pixel. Once you are done, you go ahead and click save on your top right hand corner. Now this is important. Remember, all of our indicators will be adding onto our indicator window 1. So over here, indicator window 1, that is where we will be adding. We will not be adding on the main chart. Always press, every time we're going to be adding a new indicator, you click on this F plus next to indicator window 1. Okay, so the next indicator that we will be loading is our relative strength index, which is our RSI. You're going to tap on that, and these are your settings. Remember, you can always screenshot this or pause the video and go ahead and load it onto your MT5. So our period is 1, apply to close. Style, color of your background, mine is white, so make mine white. And these are our levels. We have level 70, level 50, and level 30. Pixel, I have 1 pixel, and I have the color black. Then you're going to go ahead and click on save on your top right hand corner. The third indicator that we will be loading is our moving average. Remember, click on F plus by indicator window 1. You tap on your moving average. We have period 25, shift 0, method exponential, and apply to close. You can use any color of your choice. I chose to use red for this strategy, so I chose red and I used 4 pixels. Click on save in the top right hand corner, and then we're going to go to indicator window 1 again, click again on the F plus, and add another moving average. This moving average, our period is going to be 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, and of course I'm keeping the same color, which is red, and 4 pixel. Click on save on your top right hand corner, and then our last indicator, the most important indicator that we're going to load, is going to be our momentum indicator. So once again, indicator window 1, click on F plus over there by indicator window 1. Scroll down, find momentum, click on momentum, and these are your settings. So period 9, apply to close. You can use any color of your choice. I use this purplish color over here, and 4 pixel. Click on save on the top right hand corner, and then your chart should look like this. So first thing we're going to look at is our zoom level. So this is the lower zoom level. Just zoom out once. I'll do that again. Lower zoom level, and we zoom out once. Our chart shift is going to be all the way at the end over here. So remember, we have this little arrow which indicates where our chart is currently lying, and we can use that arrow to move our charts. So all you want to do is click on that arrow. You'll see the dotted line, and you want to move it till over here on the E, on the letter E, the first letter E, under the word every. So you want to load your chart under the word every, the first letter E in line with the first letter E. Okay, quite simple. So now we're going to go into the strategy. Very easy to use. Remember, trading is patience, so you need to have patience when trading, and with the strategy you need to have patience as well. So I'm going to explain the strategy for you. It works on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Remember, we are only scalping 10 candles, and we don't want to be greedy in the market. Okay, we want to grow our accounts. So the first confirmation that you're looking at is our momentum. Remember, I said our momentum indicator is the most important indicator. That is our first confirmation to tell us that there is a trade idea and there's a possibility of us going into the market and catching those 10 candles. So our momentum candle is this bluish purple indicator on our charts here at the bottom. The first thing that we look for is that it crosses level 5. So here we see level 5, right? Dotted line, we can see that it crossed below level 5. Now we know, okay, we crossed below level 5. We are now having a trade idea. That's our first confirmation. What we need to wait for next is the crossover of the moving average. What happens? We later on get the crossover of the moving average right over here. So once this crossover happens, we enter the market, we take 10 candles, and we are out of the market. Okay, now remember, if you're using a bigger, let me show you guys something fantastic. If you want to take your trading to the next level on boom and crash by catching spikes, you guys already know I got you. This is Forex Life, and this is the Forex Life Viper Spike system. So on the Viper Spike system, guys, as you can see, this is boom 1000. You get two alerts. You get your dot and you get your arrow. If it's green and green, you go ahead and you take the trade. Check these amazing results. Look at this. All of these spikes you can catch without hesitation. Once it changes red, you go ahead and you exit your trade. Check all of this. Let's see, boom 500, the exact same sniper entries. Look at that, guys. You can make profits this year without the hassle, without the worry. On crash, opposite, when it's red, look at that. Look at that. You get two notifications, your first entry and your second entry. You get pop-up alerts, you get mobile alerts as well. And you can do this on all boom and crash pairs on the 1 minute time frame. You can go ahead and DM me. My number is on screen and in the description below. It only costs you $49 a month to have access to this amazing system. So if you want to change your trading career, guys, go ahead, hit me a DM. I will go ahead, activate the system for you. It's only licensed to one account and for 30 days. So $49 get you access to the system for 30 days. If you do want lifetime, there is a lifetime option. You can speak to me directly for that as well. But let's go and continue with the video. Account size and using a one lot or a two lot. Those 10 candles add up. That's about $20 that you're making on one trade. And if you have a small account of $2 or $5, you use this to grow your account. Patience, patience, patience. Also, your stop loss, guys. What I want you to do with your stop loss is I want you to close the trade as soon as it breaks the last spike level. Okay, so this is where the last spike was. Okay, we see that spike there. If it breaks that spike level, close the trade and wait for the next opportunity. Always the last spike level, that will be our stop loss. Okay, if this spike had to be bigger and it spiked, we're out of the trade, we take that loss and we come back and we recover. Okay, so let's just look at another example and show you. So over here we can see what happened. We crossed level 5 and here we had the crossover. Once the crossover happened, we entered the market, 10 candles, and we are out of the market. Confirmation 1, crossover of level 5, crossover of the moving averages. We enter, we take 10 candles, and we exit the market. We are growing our accounts here steadily by having a very accurate strategy. and we're not over leveraging, and we're not over risking, and we're sticking to the rules. Let's look at another example. Once we cross level 5, our moving averages have a crossover. We enter, we take 10 candles, and we are out of the market. And you can see most of the times the trend is a continuation. It continues with 30-40 candles, but we're not being greedy, we're only taking 10. Okay, so let's have a look here again. Here we have our crossover of level 5. Here we have our crossover of our moving averages. If we had to enter there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 candles. We got a spike, but remember what I said, your stop loss will be below this candle, so you would have caught your 10 candles over there, and it's still been a profitable trade. So now let's just look for our last example. Let's see over here. We crossed level 5, our moving averages crossed just there, and that is your 10 candles, and you are out of the market. Same applies on Boom 1000. Just on Boom 1000 we are looking for sell, so it's the complete opposite. Okay, so on Boom 1000 our level is level 90. So once we cross level 90, which we did there, what is our second confirmation? We wait for the moving averages to cross over. So over here our moving averages crossed over, we enter the trade, take 10 candles, and we are out of the market. Let's just look for another example. So over here we cross level 90, our moving averages crossed over here, we enter the trade, we take 10 candles, and we are out of the market. Another example, we cross level 90, moving averages crossed, we enter the trade, 10 candles, out of the market. It's as easy as that, guys. The strategy is very easy. You just need to have patience with the strategy, and you will make it far with the strategy and grow your account. Remember, guys, if this is your first time on the channel, please go ahead, like, subscribe. We would like to reach 20,000 subscribers in the year of 2025. I hope you guys enjoy the strategy, and I'll see you on the next one.